Hi guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'll be showing how to start affiliate marketing. Even though you're a beginner or someone who actually wants to learn affiliate marketing and have an expert knowledge of how affiliate marketing works, and even start up affiliate marketing immediately after you watch this video is going to help you explain and make you have the knowledge on how affiliate marketing works. And if you're new to the channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and like this video. Liking this video will actually help us increase our SEO and will make this video rank. Or you can drop in the comment section. Let's get right in. So let's just get right in. Let's start the video. So the simple thing is, affiliate marketing is very simple. It's just you basically picking other people's products and advertising it, or writing about it, or driving traffic to it, and just trying to make sure people actually make purchase through your link or purchase that product, and that way you actually get paid. I know this might be confusing, but I will try as much as possible to make sure this video actually explains everything you need to know about affiliate marketing and how you can actually get started almost immediately right now. So now on my Jamboard, I'm going to explain briefly how you can actually do this. So I want to assume this this is a client here, and this is Mr. A. Let me put it that way. And this is Mr. A. Now, Mr. A owns a product, which is let me say the product is all about fitness. Now, Mr. A actually runs what do you call it, a program which will allow people to actually pick up this product and advertise them and get paid through a commission. It could be an affiliate program, so you could actually see them, or when you visit Mr. A's site, you could actually see a place where you say join our affiliate program. So that way, when you join the program, you actually pick up the product, you will have a unique link, and you advertise them. You advertise the link, and that way you get paid. So now this is Mr. A who owns the product in regards to fitness. Now Mr. B, who is just a random person, actually just comes up to the platform. Now actually went to Mr. A's platform to pick up a product or to sign up. And so after picking up the product, now Mr. B went to his blog or his website, or a free website, to write about Mr. A's product. Now you wrote the content here. Now I'm just going to use C as the content. So like you wrote the content on this blog. It could be Medium, it could be Google's free site, it could be your own personal blog, it could be any medium you actually feel you can actually express what Mr. A is trying to sell. So now Mr. B now wrote a content on this. So I want to assume now Mr. B has a website and has written a content on this. So if you don't actually have a website, you can actually use medium.com. You can actually use Google free site. I'm going to show you, even though you use this, I'm going to show you how you can actually earn from this. So now you've used the site, and now you want to actually drive traffic to this particular website. Now let me say Mr. A is actually paying a commission of let me say his product is about $100. Put $100. So Mr. A product is $100, and now for every person you actually refer to that product, you actually earn a commission of $20. Let me put it that way. That's a 20% commission. Let me write it clearly so you understand. So this is a $20. Pardon me, please. I'm so bad in drawing, so I'm trying as much as possible to make this. So like I said, at $20 is the commission, right? So now I want you to have a scenario where you have, if you're doing affiliate marketing, you have to be profit oriented, you have to be smart, you have to be capital oriented. Why did I say capital oriented? Because the truth is, to actually advertise this page where we have our unique link, provided we've gotten our unique link from Mr. A's website, Mr. A's platform, we've gotten our unique link, and now we actually want to make sure people actually click on that unique link and go to Mr. A's website, so we can actually get our commission, right, when they make a purchase or when they actually sign up or do something, right? So now the best medium I actually recommend you doing this is by using Facebook, or you can use Facebook, you can use Google also, AdSense. Yeah, you might have heard of AdSense. AdSense is an advertising platform owned by Google, so you can actually use them. So when people actually go up on google.com, when people actually go up on Google to search for let me say fitness product. So when they search for fitness product on Google, now you actually see this an ad here. Now this ads are by some companies. Let me say Konga. Yeah, they are actually owned by Konga. Now you've actually run an ad on Google using AdSense. Your ad is likely to even come above this if you have that as an article. So your ad will actually come here on the first page if people actually search for fitness product or anything related to fitness, either under or above. But trust me, these guys are actually ranking. This is not an ad, and for you to actually get to this point, you need to do a lot of work in regards to SEO and all. So I actually suggest you actually run an ad, and likewise, if you're using Facebook, you can actually run ads to those who actually be interested in that product. But what I advise is using AdSense ads, and AdSense ads is not expensive compared to your commission you'll be getting in regards to when people actually make purchases. And trust me, for those people who actually search on Google, your buyers are dedicated buyers, are those who actually want to take an action, and that's the point. So when you have an ad here and people actually click on it, right, and now when they click on their ad, they go to the website where you've written a review about that product, and now you need to actually have a good sense of copywriting, like know how to convince people towards taking action. It's not about just writing an article. You need to be able to write an article that's actually going to convince them to take action immediately. So provided this is your content, I want to just an illustration, right? This and you want to have your blog title, which is something related to the product, why you need this product. Then your intro should be telling them why you actually need why they need the product, right? And you should actually have a call to action. I think at the top of your content, right immediately after your introduction. So those who want to take action without even reading the whole lengthy article can actually do that. And your call to action is going to include a button, something like this, but yours is not going to be add to cart. It's going to be buy now or purchase now or something. So now you still want to add your call to action at the end of your article here, at the end point of the article. So those who actually read through your content can actually just take action immediately after they've done reading. And now taking the action is actually going to take them straight up to the Mr. A's website. And now when they make a purchase on Mr. A's website, there's what we call cookies. Cookies is basically, it enables a site to take perfect information of who is taking an action and from where is taking an action, either a unique link or a browser or something. So that way, when Mr. B takes an action on Mr. A website, it knows definitely that that action is coming from your own link, and that way, if that Mr. B should make a purchase from Mr. A, you earn a commission. Like I explained here, you earn a commission of $20 from a $100 product. So I'm just using this as an illustration. So it's not always the case. So it might be a $100 product and the commission might be 15% or 20% or even 10% or lesser. So it depends on you. But when you're doing affiliate marketing, you actually want to compare your capital or your profits and know, okay, you're not on a loss here. Even though you spend $20 on advertisement or you spend $100 on advertisement, you want to know that, okay, definitely I'm gonna make a return of $400, $300 for these things, right? So definitely this is how affiliate marketing is, and I'm very, very certain with this method you can actually skyrocket your affiliate marketing program. There are different sites who actually does this affiliate marketing programs. You can go to it's not compulsory you go on the fitness. You can go on hosting companies. There are different hosting companies that actually um, does affiliate programs. Affiliate programs. So you can just leave a search on. I'm using Bing right now. I'm not using Google, so you can just leverage a search. Recurring web hosting program. So I recommend hosting sites, right? Because definitely anybody who actually make purchases using your link, we actually have to renew every year or every period of time, right? And that way you keep on earning. That's one of the best way to earn using these hosting programs. I believe this video I've been able to explain to you what affiliate marketing is and how you can actually leverage the opportunity to start making money right now, making money up to $1,000, $2,000 with a little amount of money. And if this video have been helpful, kindly like and subscribe to this channel, and see you when next we see you. Peace.